All right, so here we are the day after the cleanup of the great blizzard of 2016. Looking down Penn Street and then of course right into the sun. You can see how high this has gotten piled. And I'll walk back to the backyard to show you how deep the snow is without any piling or shoveling of it. You can see it's piled here against the house, how high it is, and the icicles up there are pretty awesome too. Is that one of my neighbors?
There he is.
How are you?
Splendid. How you doing?
Good. Giving everybody, all of my Mississippi friends and family, a tour of the devastation of Blizzard 2016.
Right?
Yes, right. Armageddon, Snowmageddon.
That's pretty cool.
Digging out the trash cans and recycle bin. That only took about a half hour. All right, we'll go through the garage here so you can see the backyard. I can't even get to the sidewalk beside the garage because it hasn't been plowed. But you can see how high the snow has drifted and fallen on our patio set there. So that gives you an idea of what the snowfall actually looked like, because everything in the front's piled up with snow that's been shoveled or plowed. So yet another 2016 blizzard report from yours truly, an old man with a selfie stick.